What is an irrigation system? An irrigation system is like a helping hand for your garden. It's a method designed to deliver water to your plants in a controlled and efficient manner. It waters your plants for you, ensuring they get the right amount of water at the right time. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy your garden more without the constant chore of manual watering. There are different types of irrigation systems. Some use sprinklers that spray water over a large area, while others use hoses with small holes, known as drip or soaker hoses, to deliver water directly to the base of the plants. Imagine you have a big garden with many plants and flowers. Watering everything by hand takes a long time and can be quite exhausting. An irrigation system makes this job much easier by automating the process. It can also water your plants more evenly, ensuring that each plant gets the right amount of water. This helps them grow strong and healthy, as consistent watering is crucial for their development. But irrigation systems are not just for lazy gardeners. They are essential tools for anyone who wants to maintain a beautiful and thriving garden. They can also help your plants thrive by providing them with the consistent moisture they need. Consistent watering is important for plant health, as it helps prevent overwatering or underwatering. It helps them absorb nutrients from the soil more effectively, leading to healthier and more vibrant plants. The benefits of installing an irrigation system. One of the biggest benefits of an irrigation system is water conservation. A well-designed system delivers water directly to the roots, where it's needed most. This reduces evaporation and runoff, saving precious water. Convenience is another major plus. Imagine going on holiday and not having to worry about your plants wilting in the sun. An irrigation system takes care of everything while you're away. And let's not forget about healthier plants. Consistent watering, thanks to an irrigation system, leads to stronger root systems, more vibrant blooms, and a greater yield from your vegetable patch. Some of the downsides. While the benefits of garden irrigation are clear, there are some downsides to consider. The initial cost of purchasing and installing the system can be significant. Maintenance is another factor. Irrigation systems need regular checks to ensure they are working properly. This includes cleaning filters, checking for leaks, and adjusting watering schedules as the seasons change. It's important to choose the right system for your garden's needs. Factors like the size and layout of your garden, the types of plants you grow, and your budget will all play a role in your decision. Irrigation systems in the greenhouse. Greenhouses offer a unique environment for growing plants. They provide protection from the elements and allow for greater control over temperature and humidity. An irrigation system in a greenhouse can be highly beneficial. It ensures your plants receive a consistent supply of water, regardless of the weather outside. This is especially important for seedlings and young plants that are more susceptible to drying out. With the right irrigation system, you can create an ideal microclimate within your greenhouse, maximizing plant growth and productivity. Potential downsides in the greenhouse. While irrigation systems offer many advantages in a greenhouse, there are potential downsides to consider and be aware of. Overwatering is a common problem, especially in enclosed environments like greenhouses. Excessive moisture can lead to root rot, fungal diseases, and other serious problems. It's crucial to choose an irrigation system that allows for precise water control and monitoring. Good ventilation is also essential in a greenhouse to prevent the buildup of humidity, which can contribute to mold growth and other issues. Factors to consider when choosing the right system. When choosing an irrigation system for your garden or greenhouse, there are several factors to consider. It's not just about watering your plants, it's about creating an efficient and sustainable system that meets all your gardening needs. Start by assessing your water source. This is crucial because the type of water you have access to can significantly influence your irrigation choices. Do you have access to a well, a rainwater harvesting system, or only municipal water? Each source has its own set of advantages and limitations. Next, think about the size and layout of your growing space. The dimensions and design of your garden or greenhouse will dictate the type of irrigation system that will work best. For small gardens, a simple hose end timer might suffice. These are easy to install and can be quite effective for limited spaces. Larger gardens may benefit from an in-ground sprinkler system. These systems can cover more area and are often more efficient for extensive planting zones. Consider your plant's needs. Some plants prefer deep watering, while others thrive with frequent light watering. Understanding these preferences can help you tailor your irrigation system to be more effective. Research the specific requirements of your chosen crops. Different plants have different water needs, and knowing these can make a big difference in your garden's success. Is an irrigation system right for you? Deciding whether to install an irrigation system is a personal choice that depends on various factors. It requires careful consideration of your specific gardening needs, your budget, and your commitment to regular maintenance. An irrigation system can be a significant investment, so it's important to evaluate whether it fits into your financial plans. If you're looking to save time, conserve water, and ensure your plants thrive, an irrigation system can be a worthwhile investment. Automated systems can provide consistent watering schedules, which can be particularly beneficial during dry spells or when you're away from home. However, if you enjoy the therapeutic act of hand watering and have the time to dedicate to this task, you may not need an automated system. Hand watering allows for a more personal connection with your garden, giving you the opportunity to inspect each plant closely. Ultimately, the best approach is to weigh the pros and cons carefully and choose the option that aligns with your gardening philosophy and lifestyle. Consider how much time you can realistically dedicate to your garden and whether the convenience of an irrigation system outweighs the joy you get from hand watering. Hope this video helps you decide if an irrigation system is right for you. If you learned something, click the like button and subscribe to see more useful videos and tips on how to create your dream garden. Thanks for watching.